You're looking at my 88 Monte Carlo SS with the Lt1 engine in it. There's the engine. As you can see, it has aluminum heads on it. It's not like a regular Lt1 engine with the cast heads. Kicking about 320 horsepower right now. And you just don't expect that engine in this car. Like I said, it's not a show-winning paint job, but you'll see it's a very nice car. It's not all messed up looking. Let's get a good look at it. It's got a nice shine to it. You can see it's not all dinged or rusted up like most of them. Got the T-tops on it. I got them off right now. The interior is a little dirty today because I just haven't washed it in a while. I haven't washed the car in a couple of days, but it still looks pretty decent. You can see the seats have no damage on them, not like most you see. I mean, this car is in excellent shape. You can see all the dash is intact. So undamaged, all in excellent shape. And car runs excellent, passes E-check, and underneath it it's clean also. If you look underneath, you can see it's been undercoated at one time or another, and it seems like it's probably been undercoated since new, so it's pretty nice underneath. I guess, yeah, there you go. So, it is what it is. $6,500 is the least amount I'd take, just because I have $9 grand in the car. And anyone who doubts it, just take in mind that it has 57,000 original miles and is a $4,000 job is not perfect, but as you can see, it does shine and it is nice. It's not some piece of crap. I mean, this paint job could last you 5 years if you want, but honestly, a car of this caliber deserves better. Mileage and the 57,000 in the motor, I mean, you're talking, this is a big money car. Last year, the SS, only 5% of the cars are made with T-tops. 57,000 original miles on the body. The motor, you're working on about 9,000 miles now. Completely redone. Aluminum heads, all the lifters, everything. Rod bearings, cam, all of that's been replaced. This is a brand new engine. Passes E-check. You can see the car runs quiet, and I sort of like it that way, because this is like a sleeper car to me. This is like a sleeper, totally. Like, if someone pulled up to me, they're gonna totally expect the 305 to be in this car, but they are very wrong. And if you've ever, I'll guarantee you're never going to see a Monte again with this engine in it. There ain't too many people willing to invest $4,000 into this kind of car. Well, I did. So, if you want it cheap, get it now for $6,500, or just keep dreaming about it real quick. They're going to realize that you ain't playing with a little regular 305. everything's hooked up. The Trans Am's computer is all installed, so even the fan runs off of the Trans Am computer. We hooked up everything into the Monte's computer stuff, and you can see that there's no check engine lights. The tach works, oil temperature gauge, gas gauge, voltmeter, all that works. The AC doesn't, however, work because of the conversion, but